Which country invented baseball? A. United States. 2. England. 3. Canada. Correct answer is 2. England. Which sport is called the king of sports? A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Basketball. Correct answer is B. Football. Who is called the father of Indian drama? A. Kalidasa. B. Bhasa. C. Vishakhadatta. Correct answer is C. Kalidasa. Which is the largest lake? A. Caspian Sea. B. Lake Superior. C. Lake Victoria. Correct answer is the Caspian Sea. Which is the most powerful animal? A. Elephant. B. Gorilla. C. Tiger. Correct answer is B. Gorilla. Which is the brightest planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. Correct answer is B. Venus. Which plant provides the most oxygen? A. Banyan. B. People. C. Neem. Correct answer is B. People. Which word is always spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? A. Incorrectly. B. Misspelled. C. Wrong. Correct answer is A. Incorrectly. In which sport is the term love used? A. Badminton. B. Tennis. C. Golf. Correct answer is B. Tennis. Who is known as the king of football? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Lionel Messi. C. Pele. Correct answer is C. Pele. What is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Blue whale. B. Gangetic dolphin. C. Sea turtle. Correct answer is B. Gangetic dolphin. Which was India's first sound film? A. Raja Harishchand. B. Alam Ara. C. Mother India. Correct answer is B. Alam Ara. Who is called the father of Indian music? A. Tansen. B. Ravi Shankar. C. Tyagaraja. Correct answer is A. Tansen. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? A. Satyajit Ray. B. Dada Saheb Phalke. C. Raj Kapoor. Correct answer is B. Dada Saheb Phalke. Do you know how many teeth a bear has in its mouth? A. 32. B. 42. C. 50. Correct answer is B. Bayalis. Which city in India was the first to introduce a taxi service? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. It may surprise you, but which country in the world has no rivers? A. Kuwait, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Vatican City. Correct answer is A. Kuwait. Which is the largest continent among the seven? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. South America. Correct answer is B. Asia. In the world of trees, which tree is impossible for humans to climb? A. Coconut tree, B. Banana tree, C. Bamboo tree. Correct answer is B. Banana tree. Which country does not allow eating any animals? A. India, B. Vatican City, C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. Which city in the world has the highest population density? A. Tokyo, B. Delhi, C. Shanghai. Correct answer is A. Tokyo. Which country was the first to discover water on the moon? A. United States, B. India, C. Russia. Correct answer is B. India.